Hey, what's up everybody?
Good morning!
It's the Lido Loca daily vlog!
Yay!
Hey, so we've been on the road for a few hours, but we're heading to celebrate a huge event in our lives.
Yes, one of the girls are getting married!
Our daughter Danielle is saying I do!
I know.
It's exciting, but yeah, so our journey just begins. We're picking up our son Greg at school and making our way west to Tennessee.
To start the festivities.
Yeah, so looking forward to it. Track along with us. Don't know what we're going to get into, but we'll catch up with you later.
Well, hopefully we're going to marry off one of these kids.
Yes, not today.
Not today, 2 more days.
I think there's White Castles in our future.
Yay, what?
Alright, we'll catch up with you guys later.
What's up, Greg?
Why are you recording me?
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Going to Tennessee!
Because you're the only 10 I see.
See?
Are you gonna start that crap again?
Yeah.
Damn, Jenny! Damn! Hey, what's up everybody?
What's going on?
Man, we finished that 8.5 hour drive.
Yes.
Whew. Picked up the boy. And now we are waiting for family and friends to come in to have a wedding.
Yes, let's do this.
Are
It's
you
so
excited?
exciting, yes.
You know what I'm more excited about?
What?
Well, of course, seeing everybody, but also eating some White Castles.
White Castles?
White
What?
Castle, what? Cool. Jenny!
Where's my dinner?
At the hotel, and there's hand sanitizer. Beep, beep. Hand sanitizer in the door handle. You look like a skeptic.
Yeah.
You don't believe what I'm saying?
I do believe it. I just got to see this from my own eyes. There's hand sanitizer.
It's a hand sanitizer in the door handle.
That's crazy.
Is your mind blown? Mine is blown.
But now I have to touch this.
Yeah, it's weird, right? But your hands are very clean.
But then I can get more hand sanitizer.
On the way out.
Boom.
Boom. Are you clean?
Yeah.
Buddy.
Wow, what a night.
What a night.
So much family in, and we still got more on the way. So, yeah, what's the big plans for tomorrow?
Shower and just some running around.
I shower every day. Oh, bridal shower?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, good night. Hope you guys are doing well. We'll catch up with you later. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media at Instagram, Twitter at Lido Loca, and join us on Facebook at the Lido Loca Cruising Community.
Yes.
Hope you guys are having a good night and a good weekend ahead of you, and we will catch up with you later.
Yeah, we'll see you on the Lido.
See you on the Lido.
Bye.